just done. Me done with Jason. I'm dead serious. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm here with another video, another vlog for you guys. Right now we are on our way to Clarendon. Guess why? Nah, wrong. May I collect my glasses today. So them did I try to reach out to me from the tent, and them not get to me, and me don't know what happened, because me I call people, me I get straight voicemail. Them I call me, them I get straight voicemail. So me don't know if it's the system or what, but never get the call. And Jason still, well, me don't know if you watch the video, babe. Question: you did watch the video when me try on the glasses and me choose?
Be honest, no.
So you don't watch my videos? That's what I try to say.
We never watch that one, though, real thing.
Guys, regardless if him did watch it or not, which me believe him say him not watch it, I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna appreciate that. But the only person when know how my glasses look on me, I think it's Kadesh, because I did show him the footage and show him which one I did choose, and Mommy. So them know. So I can't wait for show Jason how it look. Well, I can't wait to get his reaction. You know, one or two person who did watch the video say, oh, when I see you choose the glasses, I say, God, please don't make her itchy choose. God, please don't make her itchy choose. And I done choose it already. Chose that one, and I mean, I like it. Right now we're there the toll raise. First of all, class 1 are 150, class 2 are 250, and class 3 are $500. So toll raise up bad. So we soon reach our courts. Can't wait for show now, and we can't wait to get Jason's reaction. Oh, other than that, guys, thank you so much for the love on the previous video. I really and truly appreciate it. My son and son in the prayers for Jason and stuff like that. I did went ahead, set an appointment with I don't want to pronounce it wrong. Yeah, behind Jason back. I did really want to surprise him, but really and truly not gonna be a surprise because I know me drive, a Jason drive. So hopefully that turn out good. Yeah. Everybody a call and a check up and stuff like that. No, the accident no recent, but it start to affect him now. I don't know how whiplash and stuff like that. And no, I never did Jason drive at the time when that happened. But still appreciate it, guys. And I don't know how whiplash go, as me say. And when it just happened, it bother you a months after, sometimes years, like what happened to Jason now. But thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Ready, babe? Hey, babe. Gonna try it on here. Check my glasses. So this is it. More see your reaction.
Alright.
Okay.
Turn on your face, look at it, so. Babe, just look a bit over this. No, a little bit. Just turn on to me. Straight it, go so. Turn your head a little bit so. No, babe, don't look. Turn your head. Turn your head. Turn your... Jesus Christ. Hold on now. Mama to the head, so. Yeah, my prank glasses is this.
Don't get ridiculous now.
Babe, the summer glasses, why are you having me?
You sure? The glass look like something can see. Like we cannot touch right through it. You sure? Oh. I really think this.
Name of my glasses. Anyways, I can try the sunshade because dress is big. I love it. It looks good on me.
I know, I see nothing wrong with it, but that's what I see.
You like it?
I put on the next one. Say I want a woman in black. You come here asking for one night, she's the Will Smith, the about an English suppress it over and forget what I see.
It doesn't even matter because there's no turning.
They look good, man. They look good for you.
I don't like them.
Babe, them look good.
So why you laughing?
Maybe it's just funny to see you in glasses for your first time.
Guys, comment below and let me know if Jason just a hate for me cause I think it looks good.
Yeah, man, it looks really good.
I love it. So guys, things are gonna take a turn. But you know, babe, just stop. Like you can't done now. You can't just stop. You can't done now. Done. So things kinda took a turn when I ate lunch.
So mine.
Babe, can you just stop? Just stop talk to me. Can you please stop talk to me? That's all me I beg you. Just stop talk to me. Anyways, went to eat lunch and I'm in a very bad mood and I'm just done. I'm done with Jason. I'm dead serious, babe. I'm done. You see you stay too bad because I never yet do them things there. Never. And it's not even funny. It don't funny. I did have a nice day until you ruin everything. Every single thing. Guys, I'm gonna eat lunch and it just feels so good because for the longest while I never eat lunch alone. One. And I just didn't think about stuff and just really just ruined my day. Like you spoiled everything. I'm done with it, bro. I'm done. Enough to stay so.
Yo, if them apart that, baby, just
Mitch is apart and the girl and you.
No, baby, just ask
the whole on is apart.
Yeah, but just ask me videos.
The whole on ruined my day. Alright guys, so I reach home and I calm down and I can talk now because I was so angry. I was so angry. When you see my eyes, I was sad, I was crying, I was embarrassed. But you know what? A little sense of humor is good sometimes. And I have to give it to Jason. That was a very good prank, well executed. But guys, I'm embarrassed bad. Like, Jason know how much me feel. Come on. Babe.
Baby, till we come on my head. Just supposed to good now.
Come on, please. First of all, you know how I feel about the little car there. I always tell Jason, say, babe, anytime I start out, I can start out with one of them little car there. Because at least I know so them can do my deliveries and stuff like that. Bro.
I first ever get on prank?
No, and the first... You even care, see you make me feel so bad?
Bro, we prank each other all the time.
I know, but you even...
Alright, babe, what we can do to make you forgive me? Just let it go.
You want to know what you can do to make me feel better?
What we can do?
I can't say no for a day tomorrow.
Go and go course.
Okay. And don't talk to me then.
Yo, stop doing that. You can't in our house and we don't talk to each other.
Guys, I'm dead serious. If Jason, stop rubbing me down.
Yeah, maybe a little can't say no.
Can't say no for a day. You agree?
Yeah, we can't
Tell them
come
say
out by
agree.
phone. I agree. We can't come out by phone.
I feel away. Anyways, now I've not nothing to nobody. And must say, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Jason White. I feel away.